it out on a daily basis. So it helps me to protect my eye areas because they are very delicate. I don't joke with them at all, so I always use my sunglasses. And this is another important item, my wallet. This wallet contains my Hello and welcome back to Geraldine Esozi's channel. Today we'll be looking at what do you have in your handbag. I found out that most ladies overlabor themselves unnecessarily by carrying a whole lot of stuffs they don't need in their handbag. So before the end of the day, they are already worn out. And that also affects your energy levels, which in turn affects your productivity. So today I'll be showing us the basics we need to carry on a daily basis, especially if you are not a nursing mother that needs to carry the baby things and also her stuffs as well. For a lady that is not a nursing mother, you only need the basic stuffs. You learn to repack your bag on a daily basis to take out the stuffs you don't need, probably the things you used the day before. You take them out and put in the things you need for the new day. So let's take a look at what I carry in my bag. So here I always carry a notepad for journaling and anytime I need to take notes. And this is a pen to go with the jotter. Then this is my hand sanitizer. Either for this season or in any season, always go out with a hand sanitizer. It helps you to keep your hygiene levels up. In case you can't get water readily, you always use this, to remove germs even without washing. Then these are my sunglasses case. I always carry them. So as long as my bag is a medium-sized bag that can take the sunglasses case, I always carry it out on a daily basis. So it helps me to protect my eye areas because they are very delicate. I don't joke with them at all, so I always use my sunglasses. Then this is another important item, my wallet. This wallet contains my debit cards and also Naira notes as well. So on a day when I'm going out with a smaller bag that cannot take my wallet, what I do is I take out either one of the cards I need or an ID and also an ID, then and take out some notes. Then I put it in a purse, like a compartment inside the small bag, to reduce the load. Then because I'm not a makeup person, like during the day, after I do my makeup in the morning, I don't bother, like going all over to redo it again. The only thing I do is just to touch it up. So after probably a few hours, I just do a touch up with my powder and my powder brush. Now here is my lip balm that also serves as my hand cream, because I've made it a habit to always moisturize my hands after every wash. Like I go to the ladies to use the convenience and I come out, I wash my hands, I apply my moisturizer, because it is moisturizing enough, emollient enough. I made it myself, so I know the ingredients it contains. That is why it serves for my lips whenever I need to use it on my lips. That's if I eat and probably my lipstick goes off, I could just use this to touch up. And it also serves as my hand cream as well. Then here is also my handkerchief, in case when I get hot and I need to dab at my face or my neck areas. So these are the basics I carry in my handbag. And if you notice, because the items are not so much, then obviously it won't be heavy. This way I don't over labor myself. I don't get tired easily before the day starts, because if you see ladies going to work and they're already, like trudging on with a heavy handbag, before they get to their place of work, they're already tired. Then when they've closed from work and they need to go back home, they need to carry that same bag again, and it's possible it might have acquired more contents. So they add it up together, and and they're trudging home. You're already tired from the activities of the day, and you still carry a heavy, overloaded handbag. Apart from depleting your energy levels, which also affects your productivity, it is also not healthy for your arms. Because if you notice, if you keep carrying them daily like that, you start feeling pains. And nobody wants that, to start feeling pains. So to be on the safe side, repack your bags daily, each morning. Or if you are the type that rushes out of the house in the morning, you could do it overnight. You empty your handbag from the day before. And for those that have more than one handbag, they can always, change the bag to the one they want to make use of the next day. And you now repack by removing the items you wouldn't need for the next day. And obviously you would have taken a mental note of the things you need for the new day. So you unpack the old ones and now repack the new ones. That way your bag doesn't get worn out easily with overload. And you yourself, you don't feel pains because your bag is very light and handy. And your energy levels is not depleted. Therefore, your productivity is not also affected. You go through the day energized. And coming back home, you still have strength, because nothing is disturbing either your shoulders, for those that carry on their shoulders, or disturbing your arm if you just carry like this. So let's be mindful of what we load our bags with. Don't carry things that are not necessary. Only carry the things that you need, in order not to overlabor yourself, so you stay tops throughout the day. I'm sure you enjoyed this video, so do not hesitate to like and share. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to always be the first to know once I upload a new content. For those that are having issues with acne, I have the acne handbook that breaks down acne to the barest minimum. It talks about how acne is formed, the different types of acne, the myths surrounding it, and the facts that are also available. It also talks about the causes of acne, the different types of acne, the foods that predisposes you to having acne, and the foods you can also take to maintain a flawless complexion. To get your own copy of that book, there's a link in the description of this video. Click on it to get yours. See you in my next video. Cheers.